Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to create or extract rare and zip archives in Lenovo Tab M7. To do this, you will need to open a Google Play Store. Then in a search, enter rare, R-A-R, and click on install. When it's ready, click on the open. Allow to access and manage all files, and go back, dismiss this notification, and your app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.